हेलो एन्ड वेलकम टु माई युट्युब च्यानल। तपाईहरुलाई मेरो युट्युब च्यानलमा स्वागत छ। आज हामी एनाटोमी र फिजियोलोजी एमसीक्यूज बारेमा डिस्कसन गर्नेछौँ। यो क्वेशन एक्जामको लागि निकै नै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ र कृपया ध्यान दिएर पढ्नु होला। 1 नम्बर, पेरिकार्डियम, पेरिटोनियम एन्ड प्लुरा आर एक्जाम्पल अफ A. Mucous membrane, B. Serous membrane, C. Synovial membrane or D. Basement membrane. यसको एन्सर अति नै सजिलो छ। एन्सर हुन्छ B. Serous membrane. 2 number, which of the following is mesodermal origin? A. Thyroid, B. Gland, gonad, C. mammary gland or D. liver. Answer is B. Gonad. 3. Ciliated epithelium is not found in A. respiratory tract, B. fallopian tube, C. vas deferens or D. ureter. Answer is D. ureter. Intestinal villi are mainly concerned with assimilation, absorption, ultrafiltration or secretion. Answer is B. Absorption. 5. Berners gland are found in A. Submucosa of stomach, B. wall of rectum, C. Submucosa of duodenum or D. mucosa of ileum. Answer is C. Submucosa of duodenum. C. Renin is present in kidney, pancreatic juice, gastric juice or liver. Answer is C. Gastric juice. Narrower distal end of stomach is called cardiac, duodenum, pyloric or pharynx. Answer is C. Pyloric. Pairs patches of ileum produce enterokinase, amylase, trypsin or lymphocyte. Answer is D. Lymphocyte. 9. The original function of stomach is storage of food, digestion of food, enzyme secretion. Answer is storage of food. 10. The liver stores food in the form of A. glucose, glycogen, albumin or ATP. Answer is B. Glycogen. Pulviform appendix is made of digestive tissue, respiratory tissue, excretive tissue or lymphatic tissue. Answer is D. Lymphatic tissue. The number of salivary glands present in human beings: 5 pair, 4 pair, 3 pair or 2 pair. Answer is 3 pair. Bile is found in gallbladder, spleen, blood, liver. Answer is liver. The valve in between the esophagus and the stomach is called ileocecal valve, gastric valve, cardiac valve or cardiac sphincter. Answer is cardiac sphincter. Least peristalsis occurs in stomach, duodenum, esophagus or rectum. Answer is rectum. Amount of saliva secreted daily on human is about 1000 ml, 250 ml, 500 ml or 100 ml. Answer is A. 100 ml. 1000 ml. 17. Dental formulation of adult man is A. 2123 upon 2123, 2122 upon 2123, 2123 2124 or 2102/2102. Answer is A. 2123 2123. The hardest substance in vertebrate body is A. Keratin, dentin, chondrin or enamel. Answer is D. Etame. 19th number. The pulp cavity is lined by osteoblast, chondroblast, odontoblast, or amoeboblast. Answer is 19C. Odontoblast. 20. Conversion of glucose into glycogen in liver is called glycogenolysis, glycogenolysis, glycolysis, or glucogenesis. Answer is B. Glycogenesis. 21. The chief function of bile is to regulation the process of digestion, elimination of waste product, emulsify fat for digestion, digest fat for enzymic action. Answer is 21C. Bilirubin and biliverdin are found in A. Blood, B. Bile, C. Pancreatic juice, or D. Saliva. Answer is B. Bile. 23. Digestion of carbohydrate, protein, and fats are completed in A. Stomach, liver, small intestine, or large intestine. Answer is C. Small intestine. All digestive enzymes are hydrolase, lyase, transferase, or oxidase. All digestive enzymes are A. Hydrolase, ligase, transferase, or oxidase. Answer is 24A. Hydrolase. 25. Wall of esophagus is made of voluntary muscle, involuntary muscles, both or none. Answer is both. The pH of stomach ranges between 1.5 to 2 or 6.8 to 7.2, 1.1 to 8.2 or 7.6 to 8.6. This question is very much important and easy also. Answer is 1.5 to 2 because stomach is highly acidic. Kupffer cells occurs in spleen, kidney, brain, or liver. Answer is spleen. 28. Islets of Langerhans are found in kidney, pancreas, liver, or stomach. This question is very much easy. So the answer is B. Pancreas. Movement of food in intestine is by A. Flowing, peristalsis, osmosis, or active motion. Answer is B. Peristalsis. 30. Laxatives are used for the treatment of common cold cough, constipation, diarrhea, or fever. Answer is constipation. The pH of saliva is about 1.5, 3.5, 6.8, or 7.4. Answer is B. 3.5. Jaundice is caused due to the malfunctioning of kidney, pancreas, liver, or intestine. Answer is C. Liver. Which of the following primary sex organ? Ovary, vagina, uterus, or fallopian tube? Answer is ovary. The tunica albuginea is a covering around the testes, ovaries, scrotal, or epidermis. Answer is A. Testes. 35. Sperms are produced in vas deferens, prostate gland, intestinal cells, or seminiferous tubules. Answer is seminiferous tubules. Leydig cells produced estrogen, testosterone, progesterone, or corticosterone. Answer is B. Testosterone. Testosterone is a steroid, protein, octapeptide, or glycoprotein. Answer is steroid. storage cells are found in testes. These cells are Nodde cells, reproductive cells, receptor cells, or non-cells. Nodde cells. Now 39. Major parts if semen is secreted by seminal vesicle, prostate gland, corpus gland, or Bartholin's gland. Answer is seminal vesicle. Seminal fluid contains citrate, fructose, ascorbic acid, or all. Answer is all. Bartholin's glands occurs in males and form liquid part of semen. Females and helps in vestibular lubrication. Males and produce alkaline fluid for neutralizing urethral acidity. Female and produce estrogen for regulation secondary sexual characters. Answer is B. Bartholin's glands is found in female and has been vestibular lubrication. Enzyme present in sperm is spermine, lactic acid, sperm lysine, or hydrolytic enzyme. Answer is C. Sperm lysine. The process by which ova are formed is known as ovulation, ovipary, oogenesis, or oviposition. Answer is C. Oogenesis. Which of the following hormones is active during proliferative phase of menstrual cycle? Estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, or all of these? Answer is A. Estrogen. Seminal fluid has pH about 6, 7.4, 8.5, or 9. Answer is B. 7.4. 46. Name the hormones that has no role in menstruation. LH, GH, FSH, or TSH. Answer is B. GH, gonadotropic hormone. Seminal fluid is acidic, alkaline, neutral, or rich of ova. It is alkaline. Penis is supplied by popliteal artery, pudendal artery, femoral artery, or renal artery. Answer is B. Pudendal artery. Menopause is caused due to the hormone prolactin, estrogen, progesterone, or relaxin. Answer is B. Estrogen. In calendar method, the onset period is during menstruation, 5 to 8 days after menstruation, 9 to 19 days from the onset of menstruation, or 20 to 28 days after menstruation. Answer is C. 9 to 19 days from the onset of menstruation. Which of the following is structural and functional unit of nervous system? Axon, neuron, oscillating, osteocyte, or neuroglia? Answer is B. Neuron. The nerve corpus callosum is seized in the brain, pituitary, ovary, or corpus luteum. Answer is A. Brain. The largest part of the human brain is cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla, or thalamus. The largest part of human brain, obviously. Answer is A. Cerebrum. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, please comment down below, and please like, share, and subscribe my videos. Thank you.